Guys, we're loaded up, getting ready to go ride. What do you think? I got some old, messed up my ankle yesterday, so I got these out of the garage. I've had these for, I don't know, hanging on the wall for 12 years probably. I'm gonna finally wear them since I'm old. You ready to go, Cash?
Yeah, come on.
Let's go.
Waiting on you.
Ready?
Yeah, waiting on you.
Here comes Dash. We're off. There's Cooper. Ready to go ride and you ready to go home?
I mean, what?
Ride. Dude, what happened?
Ran out of talent right about here.
Let me see. Oh, dude.
No,
Let me see. My eyes are burning. I was just telling Cruz, I was like, the chemtrails today. They must have put some chemtrails out today because my
You're
eyes
like
are burning.
a 2-year-old. When did you fall asleep eating it?
Oh my gosh. Dude, we got a busted U-joint in the Colorado. Check her out. I told myself, man, I'm gonna get a lift so I don't have to ever get on my back no more. You think that ever happens? Nope. I'm a hoarder. My shop's full, my lift's full. So here I am on my back. We just got done eating at this awesome restaurant.
I'm out.
They're too cold. It was 80 yesterday, and now it's like 27. We're gonna go check out this place. It's called DeVille. Sick, dudes. What do you mean you told me? You guessed it? I'll show you guys some sick stuff. Look at this guy. Look at this guy. Hey guys, remember Mr. Rogers? Mr. Rogers would take you on a like little field trip, right? Show you things, how things are made. This is a modern Mr. Rogers program. Oh man, never heard of these guys at all. Place, dude.
You just get to spinning around it and pressing.
Check this out. My gosh.
Like a big CNC machine just with a bunch of heads.
Look at that. Gosh.
From anything from, you know, cut out stickers.
That's sick, huh?
That news travels fast.
Oh, what do you guys say?
Yeah,
That's awesome.
8, a 2,
Oh, his motocross number.
and a 0.
Oh, nice.
That's the one you want?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see here. Next process we'll do. We'll put it right here. So got to get it wet. I don't got any water over here. That's a good lesson to learn. What are you gonna put that on? Moto bag? No? Dirt bag?
Oh, there you go. Your Honda 50. Dude, thanks Cody for
Hey,
everything,
of course.
man. That's awesome.
Yeah.
And where we at? Where we at, guys? Where we at?
DeVille. That's
Bill. This is the man right here.
right.
When did you not eat a cat?
She only eats the ones on the ground. Only. You were a good girl, Rhea. Huh? You were a good.
Oh my gosh, what's happening?
This is why our son doesn't ever learn how to type.
Well,
Look
look
at
how wrong she's getting. Gosh dang it. Stop it, Randy.
Oh my gosh, might be your hair.
Stop.
Well, the boys want to see how close they got to getting the lazy river done here in Republic, Missouri. Looks like they got well, can't see much there. Let's see here. Oh, dang. I see slides. Oh, look at here. Looking sharp. Oh, they even painted the front of the building. Oh, look at Fro Rider, 50 ink Fro Rider banner up here surfing right there. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, there's like a little bridge right there. Dude, that's gonna be awesome. I wish I put in a bigger Flow Rider. Multi-level, kind of walk down from the Flow Rider. Oh, the gate's open. That means we can come in. Look at how big those slides are. Heck yeah, we'll go shred the gnar this summer, brah.
Let's see if you guys are wearing your seatbelts. Yeah.
What'd you guys think of that? Did she freak you out? It's like, why is that cop opening the door?
I can hear you guys talking.
Oh, you did? Yeah, skate with your hands in your pockets, dude. See what happens. Dude, see that guy hanging on for dear life underneath that car?